Experiencing syncing problems with your AirPods Pro 3 and iPhone? First, ensure both devices are logged into the same iCloud account. Navigate to Settings, your name, iCloud, and verify Show When Locked is enabled. Toggle iCloud settings off and on, then restart both devices. For audio routing issues, go to Settings, Bluetooth, forget your AirPods, and repair. Also, check for potential Bluetooth interference from Wi-Fi routers or other devices. Confirm that Allow AirPlay routing is enabled in accessibility settings. These steps address common software glitches and Bluetooth connectivity problems that often cause syncing failures. Most syncing issues are resolved on the latest software. Make sure your devices are up to date. If iCloud and audio routing checks don't resolve the issue, perform a full reset. Place your AirPods in the charging case, open the lid, and press and hold the setup button on the back until the status light flashes amber, then white, approximately 15 seconds. Repair by holding the case near your iPhone. If the problem persists, it could indicate a hardware issue. Trends show Apple is prioritizing software-based fixes, with updates addressing many syncing problems. Future AirPods models may use AI to automatically resolve routing issues. For persistent problems, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for hardware diagnostics and potential warranty replacements. Keep devices updated to prevent future issues.